You know, sometimes, we don't need a vacation to feel peace. We just need a space that reminds us how to breathe again. And what if I told you that your own patio, that little corner you often walk past, could become your personal garden retreat, using nothing but a few clever Dollar Tree finds? Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we turn ordinary spaces into quiet little sanctuaries, one thrifty idea at a time. If you're new here, I'm so happy you found us. Around here, we don't just garden. We create calm, we build beauty, and we do it without breaking the bank. So if you've been craving a space that feels like a deep exhale, a space that's yours, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Because today, I'm showing you 15 truly unique Dollar Tree DIYs and hacks that will transform your patio into a timeless garden retreat. Even if you're working with the smallest space or the tiniest budget. Ready to fall in love with your patio again? Let's get started. Hack number 1. Scented Pebble Pathway. You know how some gardens just feel peaceful before you even see them. This first hack gives your patio that same quiet magic. Grab a few bags of Dollar Tree white pebbles and a bottle of fragrance oil or aroma sachets. In a small bowl, mix a few drops of the oil with a little clear sealant or Mod Podge. Then lightly coat your pebbles and let them dry. Scatter them along your walkway, around planters, or near your seating area. As the sun warms them, or when you brush past, they'll release a gentle scent that fills the air with calm. You can even switch scents with the seasons. Lavender for spring, citrus for summer, cinnamon when the air turns cool. Simple, affordable, and quietly beautiful. It's the kind of detail that makes your patio feel peaceful without you ever having to say why. Hack number 2. Clay pot candle warmers. There's something about candlelight that instantly softens a space. It slows everything down and adds a quiet kind of warmth. This hack brings that feeling to your patio in the simplest way. Grab 2 Dollar Tree clay pots, a tea light candle, and a few metal washers or small stones. Place the tea light on a flat surface, like a tile or plate, then turn the smaller pot upside down over it, leaving a bit of space underneath for air. Next, set the larger pot over the smaller one, separating them with the washers or stones to create a small gap. The clay traps and releases the heat slowly, turning that little flame into a gentle patio warmer, perfect for calm evenings outdoors. For an extra touch, add a drop of essential oil on the pot before lighting the candle. The warmth will release a faint, soothing scent as the night settles in. Simple, cozy, and clever. A timeless way to bring comfort and calm to your outdoor space. Hack number 3. Woven chair makeover with garden twine. Ever looked at an old patio chair and thought, this still has some life in it? This hack proves it does. Pick up a few rolls of garden twine or jute rope from Dollar Tree. Something with a warm, natural texture. If your chair has a sturdy frame but a worn-out seat, you're halfway there. Tie one end of the twine to the frame and start weaving it tightly across, side to side. When that's done, weave another layer the opposite way, over and under, until you've got a neat woven seat. It looks beautifully rustic, feels sturdy, and adds instant charm. You can top it with a small Dollar Tree cushion, or lightly brush the twine with white or sage green paint for a softer look. Simple, earthy, and full of character. A quiet reminder that even old pieces can bloom again. Hack number 4. Hidden garden table compartment. Every gardener needs a spot to tuck things away. Gloves, seed packets, or tools that always seem to disappear. This hack gives you that space while keeping your patio looking neat and cozy. Pick up 2 Dollar Tree wooden crates, and a cutting board or small wooden tray for the tabletop. Stack the crates with the openings facing the same way. Then secure them together with wood glue or zip ties. Place your board or tray on top, and just like that, you've got a small side table with hidden storage underneath. Use the inside to store your gloves, seeds, or even a snack for long garden days. To give it more charm, paint it in soft tones like sage, cream, or terracotta, and line the inside with a Dollar Tree placemat for a clean finish. It's simple, useful, and quietly beautiful. Like something you'd find in an old gardener's corner, made with care and purpose. Hack number 5. Mini fountain, with a plastic bowl and pump bottle. There's something soothing about the sound of water. It has a way of quieting everything around it. This little hack brings that calm right to your patio. No fancy fountain needed. Grab a Dollar Tree plastic bowl, a used pump bottle, and a handful of glass marbles or pebbles. Fill the bowl halfway with water, then add the marbles to weigh it down, and give it some sparkle. Place the pump's tube end into the water and press. You'll get a soft trickle that sounds just like a gentle fountain. If you want something that lasts longer, use a small battery or solar-powered pump hidden beneath the marbles to keep the water moving. Set it beside your plants or on a patio table. As the light catches the water and it starts to flow, you'll notice it, that quiet rhythm that makes your space feel peaceful, alive, and just a little more like home. Hack number 6. Hanging terracotta cup garden. Sometimes the most peaceful corners are the ones that grow upward, not outward. If your patio space is small, or you simply want to bring your plants closer to eye level, this hanging terracotta cup garden is a beautiful and budget-friendly way to do it. Start by picking up a few Dollar Tree mini terracotta cups, jute twine, and a metal hook or wooden dowel for hanging. Make small holes near the rims of each cup, just enough to thread the twine through. If you don't have a drill, you can loop the twine securely around the cup's neck and knot it firmly. Next, thread each cup one by one along a long strand of twine, leaving enough space between them for the plants to breathe and grow. Fill the cups with a bit of soil and small herbs, succulents, or trailing plants like baby's tears or ivy. Once hung, you'll notice how the cups seem to drip green life from top to bottom, almost like a natural waterfall of plants. When you water the top one lightly, a few drops will trickle down to the next. A gentle living rhythm that feels both soothing and alive. Hack number 7. Solar light water ripple illusion. Some evenings, all your garden needs is a touch of quiet magic. Something soft, unexpected, and almost dreamlike. This next idea brings that feeling to life with nothing more than a Dollar Tree solar light and a bit of water. Take a shallow glass bowl or clear dish, a few glass beads or clear marbles, and a solar garden light. Remove the solar light head from its stick base and place it face up under the bowl. Then fill the bowl halfway with water and scatter the beads across the surface. When night falls, the light from beneath the water dances through the glass beads, casting gentle ripples of reflection across nearby walls and plants. It's subtle, but that's the beauty of it. It feels natural, like moonlight moving on water. If you set 2 or 3 of these around your patio, the glow they create blends into the night, giving your space that quiet, spa-like calm without looking staged or artificial. It's a small trick that turns light, water, and reflection into a living piece of art. Proof that beauty doesn't need to be loud to be unforgettable. Hack number 8. Cooling plant misters from spray bottles. Hot afternoons can make both you and your plants a little weary. But this simple trick turns that heat into part of the calm. Instead of reaching for a hose or expensive mister, you can make your own gentle cooling system straight from Dollar Tree finds. Pick up a few spray bottles, preferably the fine mist type, and some essential oils or fresh herbs, if you'd like to add a natural scent. Fill the bottle with water, then drop in a few mint leaves or a tiny bit of lavender oil. Shake it lightly to mix. Now, instead of blasting your plants with too much water, give them a soft misting, especially during the hottest hours. The fine spray cools the leaves without drenching them, and as the mist settles in the air, it cools you too. If you're feeling creative, hang a few of these bottles along the edge of your patio, using hooks or twine. On especially hot days, give each one a quick squeeze as you walk by. The light mist, the scent, the sparkle of droplets in the sun, it all feels refreshing, almost like a tiny breath of rain on a dry day. It's simple, affordable, and perfect for summer. A little act of care that makes your patio feel alive and kind, even in the heat. Hack number 9. Painted stone garden markers. Every garden tells a story, and sometimes the simplest details help it speak a little louder. This next hack gives your plants a voice, and your patio a touch of handmade charm, using nothing more than a few smooth stones and a bit of creativity. Head to Dollar Tree and grab a bag of river stones, some acrylic paint, and a fine tip permanent marker. Look for stones that feel good in your hand, smooth, flat, and large enough to write on. Give each stone a quick wipe, then paint them in soft, earthy tones, muted greens, creams, or terracotta. Once dry, use your marker to write the names of your plants: rosemary, mint, basil, or maybe something playful like bee stop for your pollinator patch. If you want to go a step further, add tiny illustrations, a leaf, a sun, a swirl, and seal them with a light coat of clear varnish or Mod Podge to make them weather resistant. Scatter them around your garden beds, tuck them into pots, or line them along your walkway. They'll not only help you keep track of what's growing where, but they'll also add that personal handmade touch that makes your garden feel like you. It's small, quiet art, and somehow it makes the whole space feel more cared for. Hack number 10. Curtain of bells and shells. Every garden needs a bit of sound. Something gentle that moves with the wind. Almost like nature whispering back. This next hack turns a quiet breeze into music, using Dollar Tree finds that are both beautiful and simple to put together. Pick up a few small metal bells, seashells, and a roll of jute string or twine. You'll also need a wooden stick, bamboo pole, or even a wire basket frame to hang everything from. Cut several long strands of twine, then tie a mix of bells and shells along each one, spacing them unevenly, so they catch the breeze at different heights. Once you've got a few strands ready, tie them across your chosen frame or branch, letting them hang freely. When the wind moves through, the bells give off a soft, distant chime, while the shells click together with a light, oceanic tone. It's soothing, never sharp or loud, and it instantly adds a layer of calm to your patio. You can hang your curtain by the entrance of your garden space, along a fence, or behind your seating area. As you sit, the breeze carries its rhythm through the air, not just a decoration, but a sound that makes your retreat feel alive. Quick pause. If you've been enjoying these ideas so far, tell me in the comments which one you'd love to try first. And if your patio's already starting to come alive in your mind, give this video a like. It helps more garden lovers find their way here. Alright, let's keep the inspiration flowing. Ready? Let's move on to the next one. It's something that turns even a rainy day into decoration. Hack number 11. Reflective rain chain. Using spoons and beads, rain has a way of making everything pause. The sound, the smell, the calm that follows. This next hack turns that quiet moment into something beautiful you can actually watch. Grab a handful of Dollar Tree metal spoons, some glass beads, small chain links or wire, and a metal ring or hook. Start by bending each spoon slightly at the handle, so they can hang and catch the water. Then thread your beads between them, using wire or fishing line, spacing them out to create a soft glimmering pattern. Attach each strand to the metal ring, one beneath the other, until you have a flowing chain. Hang it near your patio edge, or where rainwater drips down naturally. When it rains, the drops will slide down the spoons and beads, catching light and sound as they fall. Even on cloudy days, it sparkles, turning rain into rhythm and reflection. It's one of those quiet touches that make your garden feel poetic, even in the storm. Hack number 12. Recycled candle jar planters. There's something special about giving new life to things that once held light, and that's exactly what this next hack does. Those old candle jars you've been saving, they're about to become elegant little planters for your patio retreat. Clean out the leftover wax from your used candle jars or grab a few from Dollar Tree. Add a thin layer of marbles, stones or beads at the bottom to help with drainage. Then place a small piece of mesh or paper towel on top to keep the soil from slipping through. Now fill each jar with a bit of potting mix and plant something small, herbs like thyme or oregano, or decorative plants like succulents or baby ferns. If you'd like, wrap the rim with Dollar Tree jute twine or lace ribbon for a soft rustic finish. Arrange a few of these along your patio table or steps, and when the sun hits them, the glass glows slightly, almost as if the candlelight never left. It's a simple way to blend sustainability with beauty, giving your space warmth and purpose in every corner. Hack number 13. Dollar Tree basket light dome. Evenings in the garden feel different when there's soft light above you. Not too bright, just warm enough to make everything feel close and peaceful. This next hack gives you that glow without spending much at all. Pick up a few wire baskets from Dollar Tree. The kind meant for kitchen storage works perfectly. Flip them upside down, and place a small solar light inside each one. You can secure the light with a bit of twine, zip tie or floral wire, so it stays in the center. Now hang the baskets from your patio ceiling, a tree branch, or even shepherd hooks. As night falls, the baskets cast patterned shadows around your space, turning your ordinary seating area into a calm, glowing retreat. If you want a softer tone, line the inside of the basket with a bit of burlap or sheer fabric before adding the light. It diffuses the glow, making it feel like candlelight in the air. It's one of those easy little details that changes everything. Practical, pretty, and timeless all at once. Hack number 14. Garden Aroma Diffuser Stones. This one brings scent and serenity together in the simplest way. You don't need fancy diffusers or candles, just a few Dollar Tree basics, and a little patience. Grab a box of baking soda, a small pack of cornstarch, and some essential oils and scents you love. Lavender, eucalyptus, or lemon. All work beautifully outdoors. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of baking soda with half a cup of cornstarch, then slowly add water, until it forms a soft moldable paste. Add a few drops of your chosen oil and stir it in. Now scoop the mixture into small silicone molds, or even ice cube trays from Dollar Tree. Let them dry for a full day until they harden completely. Once dry, place a few of these stones around your patio, near seating areas, planters, or on small trays. As the breeze moves, the stones release a gentle scent that lingers in the air, subtle, natural, and calming. When the smell fades, just add another drop of oil, and they're as good as new. It's clean, long-lasting, and keeps your patio smelling like a calm retreat, instead of just another outdoor space. Hack number 15. Garden Memory Wall. Every peaceful space deserves a bit of personal meaning, something that tells your story quietly, without needing words. This last hack brings that sentiment into your garden retreat, in a simple, heartfelt way. Head to Dollar Tree, and pick up a few photo frames. Different sizes make it more interesting. Inside each frame, place something that reminds you of peace. Pressed flowers from your own garden, leaf prints, a short quote you love, or even small photos that capture moments spent outdoors. If you want to keep it weather-friendly, remove the glass and seal your prints with a layer of clear, Mod Podge, or use laminated paper. Then arrange the frames on an outdoor wall, fence, or even along a sheltered corner of your patio. Over time, you can keep adding to it. A leaf from a plant you grew for the first time, a photo from a garden gathering, a dried petal from your favorite bloom. It becomes more than decoration. It becomes a quiet reminder that your garden is not just growing plants, it's holding memories. What I love about these ideas is how simple they are, yet each one can quietly change how your patio feels. With just a few Dollar Tree finds and a little imagination, you can turn an ordinary space into something that actually feels like rest. If one of these ideas stood out to you, tell me in the comments which you'll be trying first. I always enjoy seeing how each of you adds your own touch. It reminds me that beauty really does live in the small things. And if this is your first time here, welcome to Timeless Gardening. We keep things simple, kind, and creative, helping you build spaces that feel good to be in. Make sure to subscribe and grow with us. There's plenty more to come. Until next time, keep tending to your space, and let it tend to you, too.